Dear friends, as we have started with linear differential equation with constant coefficient, now we will try to solve this equation. Suppose this is the given equation, d square plus 4 y is equal to sine 3x. So we have to find out the solution for this differential equation. So solution of any differential equation is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So in order to find out complementary function, we have to find out root of this auxiliary equation. So write down auxiliary equation is equal to d square plus 4 bracket close is equal to 0. Now how to find out root of this? D square is square plus 2 square is equal to 0. Therefore d square is equal to minus 2 square. We can write as d square is equal to 2i square, since I is equal to under root of minus 1. Okay, so this is therefore the roots are d is equal to 0 plus minus 2i. So if we compare this with alpha plus I beta, then our alpha becomes 0 and beta becomes 2. So these roots are unequal and imaginary. Therefore CF is e raised to 0x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is the complementary function. Now to find out PI, particular integral, write it like this: 1 upon d square plus 4 into sine 3x. Okay. Now whenever this right hand side is any function of sine or cos, then we have to put d square is equal to minus a square. In this case our a is 3, so d square is equal to minus 3 square. Rewrite this equation: pi is equal to 1 upon our d is minus 3 square plus 4 into sine 3x. Okay. Now 3 square is plus 9, because of minus will remain as it is, plus 4 into sine 3x. So 1 upon minus 5 sine 3x. This is our PI, particular integral. Okay. Now the final solution is what? It is complementary function plus particular integral. So y is equal to e raised to 0x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus it is minus 1 upon 5 sin 3x. This is the final answer. The points to remember over here is this: whenever this any linear differential equation is equal to sine of ax or cos of ax, in that case we have to replace d square by minus a square. Okay, thank you.